Do your underwater videos look flat and green like this, but you want them to look like this? Here is a very simple and quick edit you can do on your phone. I use Lightroom Mobile Pro version for color grading my underwater videos and CapCut for turning them into short form videos. And here's how I edit them. So first, you're gonna import your video into Lightroom Mobile app. Today, we're gonna demonstrate with this video, which shot on iPhone 16 Pro in a DIVEVOLK phone case. And it was just shot a few days ago here in Manta Point in Bali. So the first thing I usually do is I will go to color to bring up the temperature a little bit, and then to bring up the tint a little bit. This will fix a little bit this green tone already, and then I will make the saturation lower, and later on we will bring back the blacks. And then you go to color mix. First thing I usually do is I will put back the saturation for the green, and then go to the light blue. You adjust the hue a little bit higher and the saturation a little bit lower. Then go to light. Now, look, this is a very important step where you can actually make the video goes alive. Here you bring back the black and bring up the white. Maybe a little bit higher highlights and a little bit lower of exposure. Now let's have a look of the video. So now I would like to make the color a little bit more blue. I will go to color again and then bring back a little bit temperature. Have a little bit higher of the tint. And then put a little bit less saturation. And now you have it. This is the video look like before. And this is the video look like now. Then you click export, save copy to device. So a few notes I want to add on here. The exactly number I used to make this tutorial probably won't work the same way for your video because underwater footage is really different. It depends on the light, depth, and conditions. Even when you shoot two videos the same way but in a different time during a day, it will also look really different. So you can follow the same steps but adjust the settings to fit your own video. You can of course use the free version of CapCut for the same color grading process. But in my experience, the color mix function in Lightroom Mobile works much better than the HSL function in CapCut. So here is a quick comparison of two videos. So the video on the left I edited in Lightroom Mobile and the video on the right I edited in CapCut. Pay attention to the video on the right, the background of this video, then you know what I mean. Also, if you are filming your underwater videos with your phone just like me, the editing works the best when the original video is not too dark or too deep, because the deeper you go, the less light it gets, and it's harder to bring the colors back. If you're also interested how to edit underwater photos on your phone, I have made another tutorial here. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show my CapCut editing process as well. And if you find this tutorial is helpful, please like and subscribe. This will help me to make more free tutorials like this. See you in the next video.